Beacon Fine Art Printing was an extension of my photography business when I first came up to the area. And I learned all about digital printing and during my days running production for numerous advertising agencies. I work with artists, photographers, galleries, museums, printing fine art reproductions using very high-level equipment. I started out with the IPFs 9 years ago and then eventually worked into the Canon Pro series. My first was 4000 and the 4100, the 6100, and now the imagePROGRAF GP-4000. I got a call from one of my guys at Canon and told me Canon was introducing a new printer that can really help grow my business. What are you talking about? Well, it's got fluorescent pink. I'm like, well, what is fluorescent pink? I have a couple of clients that do very pop arty kind of art. It really piqued my interest at that point. The imagePROGRAF GP-4000 has this new technology called radiant infusion ink technology. I'd never seen anything like it before. It creates a greater gamut of color than anything I've ever seen on the market before. I think it would really do well with landscape work, portraits or printing fine art, reproduction of paintings. The end product that I get out of the printer, when my customers see it, are mind blown. The professional print and layout program will allow you to have multiple windows open in your Photoshop program of 5 or 10 or 15 print jobs that you're working on at one time. I've never encountered any problem with getting paper in, getting paper out. It's a very intuitive system. It just allows me to have 2 rolls of paper. It could be a matte paper on the top and a canvas on the bottom. You tell it which media you want, it will automatically unroll one and load the other one. And there's really nothing I've put through that machine that has been problematic. Even to the thinnest, finest rice papers. I've printed Tyvek, I've printed peel and stick adhesive, I've printed decals on it. When it comes to the matte papers, if you're printing illustrative art on it, it really looks like somebody is making a silkscreen print. The colors are laid down so cleanly and evenly. The ink changing is quite simple. You open up a cover, you put the cartridge in. They come in 2 different sizes, 330 milliliter and 700. I tend to go with the bigger ones for longer lasting purposes. If I'm trying to figure out what my cost per print is and what my profit margins are on a particular job, I could run those numbers out of the printer. They are absolute workhorses. I've had them for all these years. I've never had a technician in here once. Canon has been incredibly supportive of me, and I think they're at the top of their game. I don't think that any other company out there makes as good a quality aqueous inkjet printer as Canon does. My favorite thing about the imagePROGRAF GP-4000, I really think it's the way it produces beautiful matte colors. I love it more than anything. It produces extraordinary fine art prints.